Welcome to our video on software development methodologies. Have you ever wondered how software developers create those amazing applications we use every day? What if I told you that there are specific methods guiding how they build these applications? From the social media platforms we browse to the productivity tools we rely on, software plays a crucial role in our daily lives. But how exactly are these applications developed? Just like construction workers follow blueprints to build houses, software developers use structured approaches called software development methodologies. These methodologies ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and to a high standard of quality. Today, we'll explore some of the most widely used software development methodologies. Each has its own unique set of principles, processes, and best practices. By understanding these methods, you'll gain insight into how software teams collaborate, solve challenges, and deliver exceptional products. From task management to effective communication, these methodologies provide a framework that helps teams stay organized and productive. Whether you're a budding developer, a project manager, or just curious about the software development process, this video will give you a solid understanding of how it all comes together. So, get ready to dive into the fascinating world where creativity meets structure. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of the various software development methodologies and their real-world applications. Let's get started. First up, we have the waterfall model. Imagine yourself standing at the top of a waterfall, where each step flows from one to the next. The waterfall model works just like that. It's a linear approach where you follow a strict sequence: requirements, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. Each phase must be completed before moving to the next, making it easy to manage. Documentation is a key aspect of the waterfall model, ensuring every detail is recorded before development begins. This method is especially useful for projects with well-defined goals and minimal expected changes, such as infrastructure projects or government contracts. However, the main downside of the waterfall model is its inflexibility. If changes are needed after the project has started, it can be challenging and costly. Now let's shift gears to Agile methodology. Picture a cozy team huddle where everyone is sharing ideas and feedback in real time. Agile is all about adaptability and customer collaboration. In Agile, projects are divided into small units called sprints, usually lasting 1 to 4 weeks. After each sprint, there's a review meeting to assess progress and gather feedback. This allows for quick adjustments and continuous improvement throughout the development cycle. Agile encourages open communication and teamwork, making it a great choice for projects where requirements are likely to change or evolve. Software companies developing consumer-facing applications often use Agile to quickly respond to market demands and user feedback. Next, we have Scrum, which is a subset of Agile. Imagine a football team passing the ball, where each player has a specific role play. Scrum emphasizes teamwork, with defined roles like the Scrum Master and Product Owner. Teams work in short cycles called sprints, similar to Agile, but with more structure and specific ceremonies. These include daily stand-up, daily planning, and reviews. Scrum's transparent process ensures everyone knows their goals and responsibilities. This makes it an ideal choice for complex projects where clear progress tracking is essential. Now let's talk about Kanban. Envision a busy cafe where orders are managed visually on a board. Kanban focuses on visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and maximizing efficiency. Teams use boards to see what tasks are in progress, what needs to be done, and what's completed. This method allows for flexibility and helps teams react quickly to changes without getting overwhelmed. Companies often use Kanban for maintenance tasks, customer support, or continuous delivery environments. At its core, Kanban uses a board divided into columns representing different stages of work. By setting clear policies and maintaining feedback loops, teams can adapt to changes in real time, reduce multitasking, and enhance overall productivity. Following that, we have lean software development. Think of it as trimming the excess fat off a piece of meat to enhance flavor. Lean focuses on efficiency and delivering value to the customer by eliminating waste. This methodology encourages teams to identify what adds value and what doesn't, improving productivity. Derived from lean manufacturing principles, it emphasizes building quality into the development process, encouraging knowledge sharing, and delivering features quickly while remaining flexible to change. Key practices such as Kanban, continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, and value stream mapping help teams streamline development and reduce inefficiencies. Lean principles emphasize faster delivery, reducing unnecessary processes, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. It's particularly beneficial for startups and companies aiming to optimize resources. By prioritizing customer needs and empowering teams, lean software development enhances productivity, improves software quality, and enables faster, more responsive delivery of solutions. Another popular choice is extreme programming, XP. Picture a vibrant workshop filled with creative minds collaborating intensely. XP emphasizes technical practices such as pair programming and test-driven development. It aims to improve software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. XP fosters close collaboration with clients, ensuring their needs are consistently met. It emphasizes frequent releases, close collaboration between developers and customers, and a strong commitment to engineering best practices. XP is designed to enable teams to deliver high-quality software efficiently while adapting to evolving project needs. XP is particularly effective in dynamic environments where requirements frequently change, making it a popular choice for startups and fast-paced software projects. With frequent releases and continuous testing, teams can quickly identify and resolve issues, maintaining a high standard of software quality. Next, let's explore feature-driven development (FDD). Imagine a well-planned game of chess, where every move is strategic and focused. FDD is a model driven around designing and building features. The team starts with a comprehensive model and then breaks it down into smaller feature sets. It's organized and keeps the process focused on delivering tangible results. Each feature is developed in short, iterative cycles, ensuring progress remains steady and predictable. FDD is especially effective for large-scale projects that require a clear focus on tangible deliverables. FDD is best suited for enterprise applications and projects where well-defined processes and structured planning are necessary. Now, let's discuss rapid application development, RAD. Think of it as constructing a prototype of your dream house before building the real thing. RAD emphasizes prototyping and user feedback to create applications quickly. This approach allows for constant input from users throughout development, ensuring the final product meets their needs. RAD is often used for projects with tight deadlines or evolving requirements, making it ideal for mobile app development or custom software solutions. By emphasizing modular development, reusable components, and continuous testing, RAD accelerates the delivery of functional applications. This approach is ideal for time-sensitive projects, enabling businesses to bring software to market faster while maintaining quality through iterative improvements. Lastly, we have DevOps. Picture a seamless flow between the development and operations teams, like a well-oiled machine. DevOps is all about collaboration between software developers and IT operations. In the fast-paced world of technology, where innovation is constant and competition is fierce, a revolutionary approach emerged: DevOps. Traditionally, developers would write code, toss it over to the operations team, and hope it worked flawlessly in production. But this siloed approach led to delays, miscommunication, and countless frustrations. DevOps changed the game by fostering a culture of collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. Imagine a world where developers and operations teams work side by side, sharing responsibilities and breaking down barriers. DevOps is more than just a set of tools, it's a mindset. It embraces continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, where code is tested, deployed, and updated seamlessly. Infrastructure as code, IAC, automates system management, while monitoring and feedback loops ensure that software remains reliable and efficient. With these practices, businesses can release features faster, fix bugs quickly, and scale effortlessly. But DevOps is not just about speed, it's about resilience. It empowers teams to experiment, learn from failures, and refine processes without fear. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Google thrive on DevOps, delivering updates daily without disrupting users. In this ever-evolving digital landscape, DevOps isn't just a methodology, it's the key to staying ahead, ensuring that technology serves people efficiently, securely, and at lightning speed. Continuous integration, automated testing, and real-time monitoring are some of the key practices of DevOps. Companies that need frequent software updates, such as e-commerce platforms or cloud service providers, often rely on DevOps for seamless and reliable software delivery. As we've seen, each software development methodology offers unique benefits and challenges. Choosing the right one depends on factors such as project complexity, team size, budget, and timeline. By understanding these methodologies, you'll gain a deeper appreciation of how developers turn ideas into reality. Whether you're working on a small mobile app or a large enterprise system, applying the right methodology can make all the difference.